So, Wagyu beef. I've never had it before. It's all the rage right now on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all those cooking channels. I thought, man, I don't know if I can afford this, right? I found this at the local grocery store. $26 a pound for this stuff. That's crazy. I got it for 50% off. Went down to the very end at the discount counter. Bingo. So, what I understand with Wagyu beef, the simpler the better. So, I'm just going to take this thing, put it on. Hear it already. Sounds good. Turn it down a little bit. Then I'm going to add some of my salt, pepper, and garlic mix over the top. Nothing crazy. I'm going to let it do its thing. I'm already loving this. Now here's the thing about Wagyu beef too, that from what I gather, is it's fed differently, right? So it's supposed to be more fatty. So you get all these extra fat lines going through it. Or what do they call that?
Marbling?
Marbling, fat marbling. Thank you, Steve, the cameraman. So I figured, what the hell, I'm going to try it. So just checked it out. It's coming along quite well. Still hear that sizzle. Liking it. This time I'm using this side. And I turned this side up a little bit. Left this side down. That way we kind of conserve the gas a little bit for the next show. This thing's coming along quite nicely. Gonna add some of our salt and pepper mix to it. Living the dream. Right now we're just kind of searing the sides. We've been watching it. It's probably been about 10 minutes. I mean, this tri-tip is fairly thick. Checked the temperature. It was at about 85 degrees, and that was a couple minutes ago. So right now I'm just kind of searing the sides on it. Try to keep in those juices. I don't know if this is the right thing to do with the Wagyu. Like I said, I've never had one, I've never cooked it, but it's what we're doing on the Dude's Kitchen. I don't know, at 110. Getting there. That's a good looking piece of steak so far. We're only at 110 degrees and it's been about 20 minutes. But man, this thing, if you could smell this thing, it's awesome. Alright, we're getting close. We're going to check the temp out. We're at 125. We got 5 to go. It'll probably take 5 minutes. Alright, we'll be right back. We hit the mark, 1:30 exactly. I love this thing. 360 griddle, you gotta get one. There's a link down below. You can purchase it on Amazon. Dig this thing. I can't speak enough about it. It's the bomb, man. It just is the bomb. Anyhow, let's try the Wagyu beef that we cooked on the griddle. This is kind of tells us how it is. So you always cut across the grain. Look at that. Oh my. Oh yeah. That. Flipping amazing. Look at all the juice that came out of that. That comes from the searing. When you sear all the sides, it just kind of holds the juices in. Wow. Oh. Here's the middle of it. This is the hardest part right there. Look at that. Look at that. That's literally melting your mouth. That fat in there, the marbling. I gotta try another piece. Wow. Literally melt in your mouth. Anyhow, Cuisinart 360 griddle. Gotta get one. We cooked this steak on here. It's the best steak I've ever had. Salt and pepper. That was it. Gotta get one. Anyhow, thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. subscribe, ring the bell. It means a lot to a small channel like us. You're watching The Dude's Kitchen. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll talk to you soon. The dude abides. I'm going back to eating a steak.